Hello, economics friends. Thank you for joining us for a tiny video on disciplinary thinking, how economic thinking shapes our everyday decisions. I think a great way to get our students involved in any conversation is to talk about food. So today we're going to talk about chicken versus cauliflower. I know they may not seem like related goods, but here's what's something interesting that is happening at Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is going to be testing out a plant-based cauliflower Chick-fil-A sandwich. It's going to be coming to some markets in Denver, South Carolina, Colorado, South Carolina, and North Carolina. So let's see. I don't know if I would want to have that. That would be a great conversation to have with students, but how many content connections can we make with this product change? So I think there's a variety of topics we could talk about in economics. We could definitely bring in varieties of market structures with fast food restaurants, product differentiation, productive resources, the choices, incentives, tons of content connections. So let's go ahead and have a way to do this with something that I like to call a relevance race. We're going to line students up into two parallel lines facing the front of the room like so. You're going to have economic terms on two sets of note cards. So they're going to be the identical deck with one term on each card, and they're going to be shuffled so each deck is in a different order. You are then going to place each deck in front of the student line on a table so they can easily, access it. It's going to be the first term on each card. Each line is going to have a different term that they will turn over. So on the count of three, the front person in each line will turn over that card. And if they can make a connection to the topic, let's say it's this article that I've linked here for you about the Chick-fil-A cauliflower sandwich, and it's a correct connection, then that is what we are looking for. So just a reminder, each deck is shuffled prior so that they turn over, different cards. So here's an example of what this looks like. So you're going to have your students lined up here in this line on the left and then line number 2 on the right. They're going to start by turning over those cards. If the person in the front gets the connection correctly, then they move to the back of the line. The next person then starts, and then there's a new card that they will then pull, and they will have to make a new correct connection. Okay. And this is going to go all the way through. So once they've turned that over and it's correct, like I said, again, they're going to move to the back of the line. This repeats for the entirety of the line. And when the first person makes it back to the front of the line again, that line is the winner. So it really is a fun way to get students active, up, and connecting economic concepts to the world around us. Please connect with us on our Facebook page and our Georgia DOE community page. We'd love to see how this goes in class. If you want to email me directly, please feel free to do so. All right, see you in the next video. Have a good time.